Good morning, guys. How are you? See, look, I have update my parrot. The other one too much eating, the other one too much jumping. You put your finger here, always go down. See, look, like you want to go outside. Quiet busy, guys, because my mother-in-law recently, yesterday only she go outside from the hospital. That's why I did not download some reviews. But here is my alaga parrot, and I have also this, see, oh, chicken. Chicken, snow. Ah, sweetie. Oh, si sweetie, this is a snowman, and here sweetie. Oh, let him sit down. Bas, sit down, sit down, sit down properly, sit down. Down, sit down na. Sit down. See here, I will let her sit down, huh? Just wait. Sit down kasi. Namaste. Okay, namaste. Namaste kay. Namaste. Namaste. Sit down. Namaste kay. Be. Hi. Namaste everyone. See, look, sweetie. Oh, make it up, hands. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Na thank you, guys. Thank you for watching all my video. See, bye. Hi, bye. See, thank you. See the other one. Oh. This is snow. It's very haramia. And then my sweetie. Oh my God. Good job. Good job. This is all my alaga. See, I have a snowman. I have chicken. Ay, the sweetie. And then our parrot. Thank you for watching. God bless. Be happy. Stay safe. Love you guys.